Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first video ever, my name is Trinity, or Be Trinity as the channel says. It is early, as you can tell from the groggy voice. Sun basically just went up not too long ago, out at a spot where I actually haven't tried in a couple years. And the past couple times I have tried the spot, it has been kind of... But if you know how fishing goes, you can't just base it off a couple times, because anything can happen in a day of fishing. I got a good buddy Dula coming out here in just a little bit. I am the only car parked in the lot, so we kind of got this little inlet all to ourselves. This is basically just a little slough of the Mississippi backwaters. And it's pretty shallow, but I mean, like I said, I haven't done well, but I have buddies who've caught multiple big fish out of here and just stayed on steady good panfish bites throughout the day. As you can see, I got my iFish Pro out already. Honestly, what a beautiful view in this little spot this morning. Couple clouds in the sky, nothing crazy. Out here soloing it today until Dula gets here. Hopefully a flag goes up, something happens right away. Like I said, I just got the flag in. We're gonna do some camping tonight. So you guys seem to like these ice camping videos. And YouTube seems to push the ice camping videos to a bigger audience than I usually gain from just fishing. So like I said, welcome. My name is Trinity. Take a second, sit back, grab a beer, grab a pop, grab a water, grab whatever you want, and let's just have some fun. Let's catch some fish today, man. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first or your 100th video, I appreciate you as always. I'll see you guys in a second. Alrighty, well, hour and a half later, I'm out of there. Place was a bust. Dula came down, basically told me that if fish don't roll through there within an hour, out of there. So we're out. I am now following Dula down a back road. Still gonna be fishing the backwaters, I'm pretty sure. If not, maybe the main channel. The main channel is frozen up a lot. A lot of places on the main channel are frozen up down here on the Mississippi River in Minnesota, which is pretty crazy. Not something I'm used to. So now he's turning around, so we're gonna see what's going on here. All right, Dulick hasn't fished this spot since 1995, so this is pretty crazy. There's nobody back here, kind of on just a little back road, a little minimum maintenance road. So hopefully something happens. Hopefully something happens, baby. This is the third pair of Quick Trip $8 shades I've had to buy because I forget to bring my shades when I come down to fish the river. I missed one. I'm at the point where I am using a waxy just to try to see if I can get anything off the bottom. And we got tip-ups out with suckers, so it looks like there's fish on my screen. I think my fish finder is dying, so whoa. Alrighty, second spot, complete bust. I don't know what to say. I am struggling today. The last few times I've went out, I've actually been struggling pretty bad. And we actually just went to a spot that had no holes drilled. There was literally nobody fishing there, no competition. Some guys came out as we were leaving, but it was also their first time out here fishing too, so I don't know. Word's getting out that fishing's getting good down in this area, so more and more people are coming to fish down here every single day. The river does replenish overnight in a lot of spots, but that's not always the case with every spot down here on the river. A lot of these spots are getting fished out. It is sad to say, but there is a lot of spots that are getting fished out nowadays, but that's just fishing. And all I gotta say about that is just because you can doesn't mean you should. So take that with a grain of salt, and I'll never judge somebody for keeping a natural resource, but it is crazy to see that a lot of these places that used to be good fishing spots are becoming just straight struggle bus. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. Like I said in the beginning, we are gonna camp tonight, probably somewhere. I don't know where we're gonna camp exactly, but yeah, I'm gonna get back to driving, and I will see you guys when we get to the third spot. All right, well, you guys just watched me catch a couple bluegill, get the skunk out of the boat. We're gonna go around the corner. This is a place where I just made a camping video not too long ago. This is a private pond. We have private access to fish here. And it's basically got everything besides walleye. I mean, the internet says it's got bullhead, catfish, perch, bluegill, bass, pike. So it's like everything you would want to fish for except for the walleye, but whatever. Middle of the day. So like I said, I got those bluegill out of the way for the skunk out of the boat. And we're moving spots now. Same lake, but we're moving spots. Saw something on the ice here. What is that, bud? So it looks like a sweet chair. Oh, dude.
Birds. Attaboy.
Nice. Not going.
It's only 4 feet though, they could have stayed.
Just move it.
Did we get a fish?
Oh, birds. Jumbo.
That's awesome, dude.
Dude, sick.
Sick.
Not exactly what I wanted to do. Perch didn't make it, but no point in putting a fish back whose gullet came out with the hook. Tried to get it out as safe as I could, but put him out of his misery. It's a good fish. I will not lie. Pretty good fish, I will say. Not going, but what? What happened to him?
Yep, dude. Look at that shit run.
Come on, give me another perch. Spit it.
You spit
Wait,
it?
wait. No. Oh, dude.
Oh shit, dude. That's a bigger one. Oh. Well, now you got two.
He's.
If you're not camping, dude, we can make them at my house. It's not a big deal. I got panko.
Oh my god! I don't want to keep this one, dude.
That's a good jeans. Let them go then.
I will. Awesome fish. It's just definitely a lot bigger and full of eggs. So I'm gonna let this girl go. Running with that.
Yeah, I was like, this is a bass. This is a bass.
Same, dude. I thought it was a bass too, especially with that hook set. You should get a line in over here, dude, in the shallow.
I thought about moving that.
Here, I'll drill you.
1 minute, so.
Yes. Really? Gonna be a perch.
Yeah.
Nice.
I got a fish, dude.
That's good. That's a
We swallowed it.
that's a fatty. Really?
Yeah.
He's done? Oh.
You know what's weird?
What up?
No bass.
No what?
Bass.
Yeah. How's the line looking? Come on, please don't be a false. The fact that it's not moving could be a great sign. We'll see. Dulux says, hey, 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 hey. Feels like minnow. See that?
Look how chewed up.
No,
Other side.
he healed. I mean, like, yeah.
Hey, 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 hey.
Was it a false or what was it? Guess we're about to find out. Yep. Fish. Nice. So you guys got to watch that on camera then. Sick. Oh, swallowed. Swallowed her. I really don't want to keep this one. This one's a little too small. So I'm gonna try my hardest to get him off. I think we can save this one's life. Yep. Nice. A little too small to keep, in my personal opinion. Just a baby perch. Nothing crazy. Not even really a belly. He's going back. Nice. Perfect. Yeah, he went back, no problem. Sweet. Underwater bite. Let's go. On camera too. That's the second one on camera. All right.
Oh, he's fucking way running. Look at him go.
Hopefully he's
Look
not.
at him go.
Hopefully he's not tangled in the camera. Okay, bass.
That'd be cool to see.
If it's a perch, it's massive. It's our largie. It's our largie.
On camera.
Yes, dude.
That's gonna be pretty badass.
That
dude,
is
I forgot I got you the nut rolls too. I forgot.
Oh, dude, yes. Sick. On the camera, you guys got to watch that. Thank you, dude. This has been long awaited, folks. The infamous largemouth bass of the, oh, he is riled up. The infamous largemouth bass of this spot. This is usually all we catch here. Here's close to my body so you guys can see, not that big, maybe poundish. Drag. No. Dude.
Broke ya?
We had a pike.
How do you know?
Snapped.
You gonna get it on video?
It went. It's a recording look. So I'm pulling the camera up from now on. God damn it. Dude, that was our one. He was.
Yeah. No. Yeah, I can see it under the ice. It's a big bass.
Biggest bass of the day. Dooley got a double up as I'm walking down the hill going to grab the camping stuff. That's freaking sweet.
I just put them up a foot off the bottom too.
I mean, after a long day.
And watching them swim in those weeds and making their up, I was like, oh, I'm gonna go put mine up. Boom, boom.
All right. Sweet, dude.
just like that.
Oh.
A perch. Dude, look at that one.
Dude.
Wow, dude, they're getting bigger out here.
Oh, look at that beefer of a perch. As the sun's going down, weird time to be catching perch, man.
What's your pull?
Brought it back because I'm dumb. Flying.
Another bass or big ass perch?
If it's a perch, dude, like I'm telling you right now. What is that? Big. It's a giant bluegill.
Holy
Oh my God. Look at that. Absolute giant bluegill on the minnow. Probably pushing 10 inches. This is a big gill. Not that I see. Nope. Oh!
Jesus, God, dude. We're onto something. Maybe we need to come fish the shallow waters at night.
Oh. Mondo. Another Mondo. Huge freaking belly. Almost has a legit humpback, dude. Look at that freaking perch. That is awesome. Late night perching, that just doesn't happen very often. Check it out. Beautiful. Beautiful freaking perch. Look at this. I mean, these things are tubbed out. Tubbed out right now. Beautiful fish. Bud. I think that was the last bite we're gonna get on camera too. You can't see the bottom anymore, so that's the last one we're gonna get. All right, we're getting the shack set up. Well, shack is already set up, but we're getting everything put inside, everything organized. I need to hurry up before it gets freaking dark out here. Here's the cribbo. Here's the cribbo. Not much meat, but this is just going to be in addition to the fish fry that I'm going to have on the day that I get back from camping, because I got a bunch of black crappie in the fridge right now thawing out that I pulled out last night. I would love to have a fish fry with. I mean, the electric fisherman it's an amazing tool, for real. Like, I'm not going to sit here and dog on this thing. I will admit that the electric fisherman is probably a better tool to use for bigger fish, because for the small perch, not even small perch, but just, you know, 10 to 12 inch perch, it didn't seem to work the best. I got decent fillets out of them, kind of slaughtered one of the perch. Sucks, but I still got some meat off it, so I'm not really wasting anything. Like I said, shout out to my buddy Dulik for letting me use this electric knife. He went home a couple hours ago. Nah, probably like an hour and a half ago he went home. And he left the knife with me because I told him that I wanted to fillet these up tonight. So, worked out perfectly. Worked out perfectly. Electric fisherman can go in the boot. Blades. Should be a warm night in here, I won't lie. The past 3 times I have forgot to bring my freaking blanket and pillow ice camping with me. And I actually have my blanket and pillow today, which I'm very excited to use because the last 2 times ice camping has not been the most comfortable. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you. It's been a little chilly. We're going to set up the Frankie Fooler in here. Hopefully some foolish activity goes on. I'm going to jig a little bit later, hopefully for some crappies that roll through. Who's we who? Who's we who? Oh shit. Fish. Hold on. Fish, babe. No, it came off. My drag was too loose. Oh no. Are you kidding me? No.
You'll create a bigger, more brilliant engagement ring than you can imagine at a price you'll never find at a traditional jeweler.
You're so right, Red Band. You know that? Blue Nile has 100% satisfaction guarantee.
Flag go. I walk out, flag goes up. Nice. Sweet. Sick. First fish of the morning. Decent little perch. Nothing crazy. Little perch on the tip up. You guys obviously watched the flag go up. I was out there drilling more holes, but awesome. Sweet. Flag up, perch down, let's go. Alright, well, officially good morning. You guys have been seeing me kind of up and scrambling around for a while. Camera was recording for a couple hours last night while I was sleeping. Nothing happened. I woke up, the flag was still down. I've been out checking holes, drilling holes, doing whatnot, and we had a flag go up right as we walked into the shack that you guys seen, obviously. I hope the camera is recording for that. Decent little perch, not bad. I did show you guys the fish. I know for sure you guys saw the fish on camera, but I'm not sure if you guys saw the flag go up. I got a sucker minnow out, and I got a fathead minnow out right now. Sucker minnow out in the shallow water, and same with the fathead. Both in the shallow, as you guys saw last night. This hole right here was producing. I mean, like, nothing crazy, but we caught some awesome freaking perch last night. I got some decent fillets off those perch. You guys saw me cut out those fish with that electric fillet knife. I've come to realize that for filleting those smaller panfish, I really like those, just a regular knife. The electric knife is just too big for those, for the perch. I mean, the perch were decent size too, so. All right, well, hopefully this light goes off. All right, well, I'm moving over to the lost my life this trip. How long's this been up, guys? I just caught one in the shack too, so. What? Stuck in a weed? Alright. Maybe there was a fish. Alright. Second perch of the day. Nothing to brag about. A little smaller than the first one. Get him back. Alright, update. 8:42. Almost 2 hours, no fish. Oh, jeez. Oh, goodness gracious. Almost 2 hours, no fish. I don't know, I'm gonna stick it out, not gonna lie. Only thing I got left to do is go home today and just relax, so might as well enjoy as much time on the ice as I can. This battery's about to die, I can tell. That bar is really, really low. Nothing on the underwater camera. Maybe that false a little bit ago. I think the fish might have got stuck on a weed, or the flag was up so long, the fish brought it into a weed and dropped it. I don't know. I got 2 fatheads out now. I took the sucker minnow up because I didn't have much faith in it, so we'll see what happens.
And we got a big boy, 11.72 carat, fancy yellow brownish, natural diamond from an auction. Take that, and you add that one in there, because you can't just have little melons. And this is a shot of whiskey that's, I don't know, a couple $100 grand. But I like to sip, I don't like to knock it back, so.
What did we just say? Is it stuck? Is it stuck? Is it stuck? It's stuck. Alright. I think we do actually have a fish here, folks. Yep. What's going on here? After no fish for Sick. Awesome. Yo, check that out. On the Lake Stone Custom. Yes, sir. Lake Stone Custom rods. Awesome, dude. One bass in 3 hours. Not enough to keep a guy here all day. And I forgot the charger for my drill batteries. So, we're not moving spots. I woke up this morning and I used my last 2 bars that I had on a couple holes just around the shack. And I've been in all of them, basically. Like I said, 3 hours, 1 bass. Cray cray. Alrighty. Got most of the stuff for the shack taken down already. What happened there? Most stuff taken out of here. I'm gonna give it like an hour and then I'm gonna head out. It's starting to snow, so. We got a flag, folks. Where does it starts to snow? Oh no, my pole. He's tearing. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, no, no. Tearing. I think it's gonna be another bass. Definitely not as big, I don't think. Oh. Oh, sick. That's awesome. On the Lake Stone Custom once again. That is a little bit bigger one. A little bit bigger than the last one. Not by much. Barely tongue hooked. Just barely. Probably still gonna need the pliers. Awesome largemouth. I'm gonna say probably pound and 3/4, maybe pound and a half. I want to get the shack popped down. I don't want the shack to get covered in snow. I'm trying to figure out what else I don't want to get covered in snow. I'm gonna call it there. I've had you guys set up in the snow for, I don't know, 10, 20, 30 minutes while I've been getting all this stuff ready. Honestly, pretty fun night camping, I will say. This is my first ever time solo camping on the ice and turned out pretty well. Not a lot of fish, but had a lot of fun. Listened to some music, played some games on my phone, watched some stuff on my phone last night. There's gonna be a lot of footage to search through, so if I do end up finding that clip of me missing that fish, actually I know exactly the time I missed it, so that'll help. I got 2 flags still set up. You guys just saw that bass. The bass was the last thing, probably gonna send us off for the day. Like I said in the beginning, this is your first video or your 100th video. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys for staying loyal. I appreciate you guys for staying tuned. If you guys enjoy these ice camping videos, please make sure you hit a thumbs up, and you can hit the subscribe button if you're feeling awesome, and you can also hit the little bell. That way if I do upload a video, it'll just alert your phone right away. I'm thinking about getting out of here for sure. I got almost all my stuff set up. Once again, like I said, my name is Trinity, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.